Hi guys, this is Alvin Wang, and today we're going to be opening the new draft packs, and we're going to go over the draft promo. So it's new, and so the sets you get, this is a NFL draft set. You put 5 closed envelopes and 5 open envelopes, and you get one random draft player. It gives you attributes boost based on his position. So it could be. You could get them on April 30th, which is the draft day. So, yeah, so we're going to open 2 of the packs, cost $60K each, gives you 6 gold or better players, and 2 closed envelopes, 2 trophies. So let's see what we could get. First pack. Okay, 10 items. Get Ryan Clady, NFL closed envelope, bronze trophy, 83 Zach Stacy, DJ Hayden, Pat Angerer, Donald Stevenson, Patrick Robinson, another bronze trophy, and another closed envelope, so not too bad for the first pack. Next pack. Okay, so get Rashad Jennings and Snow Update Team. Steve McLendon, Carson Palmer, 86, road to playoff, that's not bad. Silver trophy and 2 closed envelopes. Jared Cook, 82, 84, John Greco, 86, Ruben Randall, Team of the Week, Week 16, that's actually pretty good. Sorry. Dr. Eggman and Speccatch17 are making me laugh. So go dislike their videos. Open a pro pack. Get nothing good. So, yeah guys, thanks for watching Draft Pack. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you next time.